Welcome again. So today we are trying to discuss about the VI and VR characteristic of the solar cell, photovoltaic cell you can say. So this is the experimental setup, the apparatus which is required. So here we have the load resistance, we can vary this resistance. So this is the variable resistance, you can say the load resistance is there. This is your meter and the voltmeter, okay, milliammeter and millivoltmeter. The circuit diagram is also displayed here. So here you will connect some solar cell. So what is the solar cell is here? It is a PN junction. Solar cell is what? It is a PN junction. As the light photon will incident on this, so you will get some current. So as here we have not connected this apparatus with any of the device, okay. So there is no electricity is supplied on this circuit. So we will connect our solar cell, and as the light photon will incident on this solar cell, you will get some voltage and current, okay. So depending upon the intensity of the photons which are incidenting on this solar cell, you may study the VI and the VR characteristic of this solar cell, okay. So let me connect the connections, complete this circuit. So we will connect our ammeter here. This is the negative terminal of the ammeter, negative this one, positive already we have connected, and similarly in parallel to this solar cell you will connect a voltmeter. Voltmeter is connected now, and it is the solar cell. So let me show you the terminals of this solar cell. You can connect the solar cell circuit like this, okay, and now your circuit is completed. It is okay, the connections are completed now. And what we need some light photon which may incident to this surface of this solar cell, so that it can absorb the light photon, the energy, and then it will convert this optical energy into the electrical energy. So that is the main function of this device, okay. Here what is we are using a bulb of 100 watt, okay. So we have 100-watt bulb, so that the light photon can incident on this solar cell. So you can see as we will switch on this bulb, so there is some current, okay, in the ammeter. So we need to note down, we need to get the observations for this ammeter and the voltmeter correspondingly with a certain value of this load resistance. So if it is the short circuit, now it is at 10 ohm, resistance is 10 ohm. So what is the observed value? You can clearly note down this value, the first observation, and the intensity is fixed. We are not changing the distance, okay. So if we will change the distance, so corresponding to that we need to get all the observations, but we are keeping our intensity fixed, okay. Now whatsoever the number of photons are incidenting on the surface, that is fixed, we are not changing the intensity, and we are changing what? We are changing our resistance. So for this 10 ohm resistance, you may note down this value. This is your first observation, okay, noted. Then second observation, at 22 ohm we can note the variation in the ammeter as well as in the voltmeter. Similarly, now for 33 ohm you can note down, 47 ohm you can note down. Next observation, 82 ohm, 100 ohm, 150 ohm, 220, 1 kilo ohm, okay. So these are the values that you can note down by this apparatus, and you need to plot the characteristic. Here I am just trying to show you all the lab manual for this characteristics, VI and VR characteristic of the solar cell. Okay, this is a symbol of the solar cell. The photons are incidenting on this, and by this circuit diagram already you know that we are using. So this is what, this is your VI characteristics. Okay, so the based on this observational data you can plot. This is the model diagram, model graph, and here it is the tabular column in which you need to note down your all the observations that you observe in this session. Okay, so if you have all the values, intensity you can note down like x, y, z. We are not changing the intensity, that is why we can keep it fixed. Okay, so at this fixed value of the intensity, varying the value of the resistance, we have the different values of voltmeter and the ammeter, and the corresponding graph, model graph of this VR is also displayed here. Okay, so like this you can plot the graph between VI and V and R. Okay, so that is your characteristics of the solar cell, VI and VR characteristic. Thank you.